Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make dark sky mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add some ice cube. Then you have to squeeze on fresh lime juice on it. Then you have to pour 30 ml of strawberry crush. You can measure and you can pour. And then you have to pour 180 ml of cranberry juice. See, this is that pink color mocktail. Okay, then you have to shake all the ingredients properly. This is a very easy mocktail, you can try. After that, take a pilsner glass or a centro glass, then pour all the ingredients into the centro glass and add some more ice cube for making the layer. Then you can serve the mocktail with straw and stirrers, and then you have to fill the glass with Coca-Cola. Then you can see the 2-layer mocktail is ready. This is the layer based mocktail, you can try. See, the 2-layer is ready. Slowly you have to pour the coke. Then you can garnish with lime slice. Thank you very much for watching my video.